I'm upset. My jimmies have been garbled.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much have your jumblies been jimbled?
Lots. I'm pretty huffed. I want extra Jeremy.
Of course.
Yep, that's my dumpling.
And the prize goes to Bill! How do you feel?
Oh my God, where to start? First of all, I'd like to thank my parents.
For nothing? What did you ever do for me?
At that point, I realized that my family fostered a toxic climate where abusive behavior is tolerated for the mere concept of loyalty.
You've seen cowboys in the future. Howdy. But have you seen cowboys in the past? Howdy. No. Further in the past.
Howdy. Down too small, both. In cinemas now.
Time to dye my hair. Oh no. For this procedure, we need extreme precision, which is why your surgeon will be Tiny Doctor.
Hello. Oh, yeah. Let's get this started.
Good news! The surgery was a success, and Tiny Doctor decided to stay inside you.
You're a great home.